So what do we have here? Nice little alleyway. The alleyway is used for access, so there were no lights down here, and at night it got pretty sketchy and you couldn't really see where you were going. So what they asked for was a couple of lights on there, on a sensor that faced out into the driveway, so as you approached the lights came on. And what did they get? They got some lights, look at that. So I ran all the lights in conduit. This was to protect the cable. I mounted the lights on top of the conduit boxes. Unfortunately, there was no other way of getting the cable inside of the light itself. So it runs from a socket at the back of the garden into a fused spur to drop the power down so that we're protecting the cable. And then we put these nice little sort of stylish spots, directional spots. Put those there. Give off enough light and enough spread for you to get down the alleyway safely, and then we put one more into the flower bed at the front, which also shines across the driveway. That is the finished product. Let me know what you think.